How to use self-baggage drop AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use self-baggage drop AirAsia. First, open the AirAsia in your device. Once you're in, tap on Chat from the bottom. There is no specific option to proceed with our request, so we need to take help via chat. Tap on Ask Bo. Wait for your bot to initiate the chat. Now select Travel. Then tap on AirAsia Flights. After that, you have these options. Tap on this right arrow and go to Add-ons. Here tap on Baggage. Then you need to select Purchase Checked Baggage. Lastly, you need to give your booking number or PNR. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.